guys, it's hot. Slot Sally. I'm back again on the $200 challenge in 2 hours. My 172.25. I've tried out a few machines, and I also wanted to show you this machine. This is another Money Rain Deluxe option that they have at Hotel Gaming Madison. And again, it has that humongo wheel up here. It's very tall, close to the ceiling. A lot of fun. It's loud, and it's usually pretty popular right now. It is one of the newer ones. So, let's see what we can do here. Again, I like to start at 180 on this machine and then kind of work my way up if it's doing well. But I feel like it needs to warm up sometimes. So the dollar sign means you get to spin, and whatever happens on that money reel, it shows up on those symbols. So it's kind of a fun little, I guess, mini bonus in a way. Again, we want 3 sky wheels to trigger the big wheel on top here. We got $4 signs. Let's go for a high number. Okay, that paid 60. Of course, if we got that 100 or the 50, it would have been even better. 171. We're still not up to our bet of 180. Oh, almost 3 sky wheels, but we did get 210, so I'll take that. 231. All right, let's move up a little bit. Let's go for 300. And we're gonna stop. Let's stop at 140. Or maybe we won't need to if we can get some high numbers here. All right, $5. I feel like the sky will feature maybe kicking in soon. Come on.